Hello friends, welcome back to Theory Videos. In this video, we will again be discussing the few questions on theory. The first question is there, what is sacrificing ratio? Sacrificing ratio is usually the difference of the old ratio minus new ratio which occurs only at the time of the admission of the new partner. When new partner is admitted, the old partner sacrifice a part of their profit for the new partner. So, but obvious at that time their old ratio would be a bigger value than their new ratio. So, sacrificing ratio is old profit sharing ratio minus new. Now, second question is profit or loss on revaluation is to be borne by old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. Why it is so? I usually tell my students that, as you know, when a new guest has to arrive at your home, what happens if the kids have kept some special flavor of the ice cream at their home? They would prefer it to finish among themselves before the arrival of the guest. So, old kids were sharing that old thing in their old profit sharing ratio, so that becomes old partners in old profit sharing ratio sharing the profit or losses on revaluation of the assets, because revaluation of the assets is for the assets which have been in the business before the admission, retirement or death of the partners, right? So in that very case, revaluation for the assets and liabilities would be transferred to old partner in their old profit sharing ratio. Next is goodwill brought by the new partner is shared only by the sacrificing partners in their sacrificing ratio. It's like if the guest is coming to the home and one kid at the home is sacrificing his room, usually the guest gives him more shagan, you know very well. So that becomes like sacrificing partner in sacrificing ratio would be given. What is given? That is goodwill brought in by the new partner, right? A, B and C are the partners. If D is admitted, then there is change in their agreement, partnership agreement. So old firm is dissolved and new firm is formed. It is need to be mentioned over here that old partnership is dissolved, not the firm is not dissolved. So this is wrong point. Again here old firm and old partnership both are dissolved and reframed. That is wrong, because only the old partnership is dissolved and reframed. So it is answer is C point, where it's given old partnership is reconstituted. Next is balance sheet prepared after new partnership agreement. Assets and liabilities are recorded at their revalued figure. If the partners want to change something in the valuation of their assets or liabilities, they can bring it into the change at the time of the reconstitution of the partnership. On the admission of the new partner, the increase in the value of the asset is debited to which account? Here he is asking for the journal entry which account is debited. So you must know that for the this revaluation or admission of a new partner, if there is increase in the value of asset, because assets carry a debit balance, so increase in assets should also be recorded to the assets account. The next is when a new partner pays for the goodwill, the amount should be debited too, because in the partnership firm the money is received. So which account should be debited? That is bank account. Increase in the value of the assets on the reconstitution of the partnership firm results in, if the assets are increasing, definitely it is a gain to the firm. Now it results in gain to whom? The people who were there before the entrance of the new partner, before the reconstitution. The reconstitution before the that goes to the existing partner. So it is gain to the existing partner, not to the new one. At the admission of a new partner, if the question is silent that old partner's new profit sharing ratio is which one, that is if in the question only old profit sharing ratio is given and the new partner's share of profit is only given, nothing else is given in the question about the old partners new profit sharing ratio, then their old profit sharing ratio becomes the sacrificing ratio. Thank you, Accountitude. Keep scoring, like, share, and subscribe to my channel.